Hello, my name's Lizzie from Motor Match Stoke. In today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BMW X5 3.0 40d M Sport Auto xDrive. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission and it is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with then, you have your xenon headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 20-inch light M double spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing nicely against the exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot space, you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black Dakota leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, so you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat in this vehicle is a memory seat, allowing you to find a comfortable position and then save it. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those long journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 69,269 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. This vehicle also features head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your BMW infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. And you have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can easily adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is the luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a BMW X5 3.0 40d M Sport Auto xDrive that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.